Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 24. Search for keywords using Google Keyword Planner. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to search for keywords using Google Keyword Planner, step by step. So let's get started. Go to Google and search for Google Keyword Planner. First two links are the ads, and then we have this official Google Keyword Planner link. Open this one, and then click on Go to Keyword Planner button. Here select your Google Ads account to log in. After login, this is what its home page will look like. Here we have Discover New Keywords and Get Search Volume and Forecast options. Click on Discover New Keywords option, then enter your products or services like woodworking. Here you also get your default language and location. Click on Location, enter your targeted location and select Target for it. Likewise, click on Language, and select your language from here. Then you can enter a domain to use as a filter and click on Get Results. Here you get graph with total and mobile values for this woodworking keyword. Below we have more keywords ideas by relevance for the keyword we provide. We also have average monthly searches and competition per keyword. So this is how you can search for keywords using Google Keyword Planner. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 25. How to format keywords. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to format keywords, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.